the barbell standing military press. This is a great exercise for your front and middle of your shoulder, or the front deltoid and middle deltoid. Placing your feet shoulder width apart with your toes and heels in line and your knees soft, as we often call in our videos the standing position. Keeping your abs tight, press the weight directly overhead. Make sure to keep your elbows in close to the body at all times. This is not a basic shoulder press. This is the military press. Press the weight directly up overhead, making sure to keep your abs tight throughout the movement. As you press, imagine you are squeezing your abdominal muscles as hard as possible to make sure that you do not lean back. It is very easy to injure your lower back during this exercise. Plant your feet strongly and make sure to press all the way up and lower down with control.